Okay, so now we have seen an overview of what is needed to develop smart contracts. But what are some smart contracts that people are actually developing and that you could already use yourself? Well, generally speaking, contracts are often either a token standard for governance or for decentralized finance. As for tokens, you might have heard of ERC20 and NFTs, which are also called ERC721. NFTs can be used for decentralized games like CryptoKitties, or for decentralized art like the Bored Ape Yacht Club. And, of course, the ERC20s that allow you to create a currency on top of Ethereum. So many projects are using those ERC20 tokens in their project. And even though there are newer standards like ERC777 and ERC1155, the ERC20 still dominates them all. We'll even implement one later in the course. And in a decentralized world, we often also need some form of governance. They are decentralized autonomous organizations, in short DAO, DAO. It's basically a smart contract or a set of smart contracts that allow for different roles in an organization, and decisions are made by voting on new proposals. Popular DAOs are, for example, MakerDAO or Aragon. And then there's the big world of decentralized finance, in short DeFi. This is what has probably brought the most users to Ethereum. Here, you would have decentralized exchanges, in short DEX, like Uniswap that we already looked at, but also 0x protocol or Balancer, just to name a few. Then you have lending borrowing protocols like Compound and Aave, stablecoins like USDT, USDC or DAI, which are pegged to the US dollar and not fluctuating, decentralized insurance protocols like Nexus Mutual, and honestly, so much more. Basically anything that exists in the traditional finance world can theoretically be recreated here. Oh, and almost forgot. Of course, the most important use case of all is to celebrate the Shiba Inu dog race.